Get ready to run with me. Dude, if you're running, you should have left a long time ago. Look at all that debris. Oh my goodness, what a wreck. Get back down there with your wife, bro. I mean, I appreciate the video, but... Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to react to a channel called Weather Report. The video we're reacting to today is called Ultimate Close Tornado Compilation number 2. Let's check it out.
With me, okay? Be ready to run with me, buddy. Fucking shit, look at all the roof shit, bro.
Oh my, tons of debris over here. Get ready to run with me. Dude, if you're running, you should have left a long time ago. Woo! That is insane huge.
Holy shit.
Yeah, but what happened to the other guy? I want to see what happened to the other guy.
Holy moly. All right.
Yeah, you're too close.
Holy shit.
Look at all that debris. Oh my goodness, what a wreck.
All right, I gotta go.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Honey.
I'm coming, honey.
Where you at, hon?
Oh,
God
she's
damn, it's
running.
bad. All right, stay down, honey. Oh, shit,
Oh,
Josie.
goodness gracious. My heart is racing.
Uh-oh. We're gonna get some shit here, honey.
Yeah.
Is this gonna save us?
I hope somebody...
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God!
What is that noise?
Okay, honey. Holy shit! Stay in.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That
man.
poor lady. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness they had a basement.
Shit!
Don't go out there.
No, not yet.
No.
Oh.
It's about over now, but oh my goodness.
Oh my God, Josie.
Get back down there with your wife, bro. I mean, I appreciate the video, but
Holy moly.
these poor people, man. Thank God everybody's got a camera on their side. Oh yeah,
Oh my God.
you're clear now, buddy. Go ahead, get your wife out of the house.
Our house is freaking destroyed, Josie.
Get her out.
Oh my God.
I think Jeff might have showed me this before. Get out of
Where's
there.
Autumn? Oh. I've never seen anything like it. Oh,
This guy is wildly calm. This poor lady, man.
I don't know. Let's go. We gotta see if anybody else's house is up, Josie. Come on. Hang on a second.
Did she say daddy was at his...
Oh,
That's his
Jesus
daughter, I think.
H.
I thought it was his wife.
I'm in shock. I can't believe this happened.
I think
Oh
Jeff
my
showed
God,
me this
Josie.
before.
The neighbors' houses are gone. God damn, I hope nobody's hurt. Autumn, stay there.
Who's Autumn? Is that a dog? Get your daughter out of the house, bro.
Come on, Josie, let's get out of here. The tornado's passed.
Yeah.
We gotta get out of here and get to...
No, you got
Josie,
to.
come on now. I know it's scary. Come on now. And watch the nails.
What a
That's
tragedy.
fine.
That poor
Josie.
girl. That is absolutely terribly sad. These people are legends for filming this, but golly, don't try to do this. Just get to safety. Oh my goodness.
Not good.
Georgia.
It's all over, fool.
It's about to start snapping those trees like toothpicks.
Look at that. Crazy.
Yeah, it is. Those trees are done for. Yep. I knew that was coming. I wish that video would have kept going. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is at a golf club. I think this is at like a golf club. I think that's what they call it.
Crap.
What a beautiful monster, though. It's mesmerizing to me. It's like watching fire. It's like the same like effect on me. Golly. Let's watch that car. Oh, it cut away. Hang in there, American flag. Don't do it. Hang in there, buddy. Yeah. Wow, that was crazy. And the American flag lived, thank goodness.
Crazy.
Oh, I've seen this.
I was listening to
This is Little Rock. We've seen this in another video. But not this shot. We've seen it in Pecos Hank video. This shot is insane.
Oh, I'm getting this.
Oh yeah, you're about to get all of it, girl. You're about to get all of it.
Whoa. Oh my God.
You're about to get all of it. Ooh. Ooh. What crazy footage, man. I'm pretty sure she got ripped out, but they grabbed a hold of her and pulled her back in the building. She asked for all of that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got the car, I think. Oof. Oh my. Golly, all the debris. I hope it shows when the dust settles.
Damn.
Little language.
Man's gonna get fucked up. There's hella trees around here, bro.
Why are you driving into it?
Oh shit, what was that? Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Language, though. This was a devastating tornado. Oh my goodness. Can't even tell what's going on, but I know it's bad. It's crazy how the debris doesn't just spin, like it's so erratic in there. Couldn't figure out, are they in a car? The video improved by 30% and now it's going back down. Ooh. Oh, I saw a spark. This thing is moving slowly too. That was one of the worst tornadoes that we've had in a while, I think. It's coming. It's like hurricane winds right there. I mean, that wasn't gonna last long. What happened? Oh my goodness. I hate how blurry the camera is though.
Oh, Stacy! Stacy!
Goodness gracious.
Oh my God!
That's a big tree it snapped.
Oh.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, check out some of my other storm chasing videos in my playlist. And come back tomorrow because we'll be watching something else. See you then.